If you're having trouble logging into Pipedrive, yeah, it can be frustrating, especially when you need quick access. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it in just a few minutes. First, double-check your email and password. Even a small typo can stop you from logging in. If you can't remember your password, click Forgot Password and reset it using your email. Yeah, this usually fixes the issue right away. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can prevent the login process from completing. Now try clearing your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes old data can interfere with the login process. If it still doesn't work, try logging in from another browser or device. This helps you figure out if the issue is local. Finally, check if there's any service issue or downtime from Pipedrive itself. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end at all, and that's it. These steps should fix most login issues in Pipedrive. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.